Why does it look kind of disgusting if I put it like that? Ugh, I don't know. We're here to celebrate the life of my bank because I just bought another pair of Maison Margiela Tabi. Hi guys, so in today's video, I'll be reviewing these Maison Margiela Black Tabi Loafers. If you've been with my channel since day one, you know my love for Tabi shoes, especially from the one, the only, Maison Margiela. Let's get started. Now, before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button below, and follow me on social media for more updates. Other than that, let's jump into today's video. I couldn't resist adding another pair of Tabi shoes to my collection. You know, I have my Tabi boots, and I feel like we're missing, another version. And so I decided to get the loafers instead. And also they give off this casual vibe while still elevating your outfits in a unique way. They're definitely a statement piece. And so I decided to get them. So the shoes come in this Maison Margiela signature white box. As you can see right here, it might be a little bit too bright. It's definitely so minimal but elevated at the same time. And I love the shoe bags that come with the shoe, which I will show you guys in a little bit. Let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open the box. This is the shoe bag I was talking about. I don't know why, but it's so minimal yet so fun to look at. Are you guys ready to see the shoe? Here we go. Oh my god, look at that. Look at it. It is so fucking gorgeous. And in the shoe, I keep this is me, I'm doing this, but in the shoe, I keep my Tabi socks so that I don't lose them. Also, if I spend more than $500 for a pair of shoes, I need to stop using cute as a word to describe what they look like. I would say these are very sophisticated. I am not entirely sure if these are categorized as men's or women's shoes. Since I shop in Italian sizing, I just go with my usual size, which is 39. These do run true to size, so if you're wondering what size to get, just check your size and then convert it to IT using the size chart, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find the right size for yourself. The original price for these shoes is $1,150, and you might be wondering why they are so expensive. It is because the split toe design is handmade. It is pretty hard to get this design with a machine, and so this is all handmade. Why does it look kind of disgusting if I put it like that? Ugh, I don't know. The material is extremely smooth and glossy. I don't know if you can see. You can see the penny slot right here too. So these are technically called penny loafers. And the inside is lined with suede and buff lambskin for comfort. And the heel is made of leather with a rubber bottom. And of course, these are made in Italy, which adds to the luxury. You know, Italy is the best country when it comes to leather shoes. So let's move on to the design details. So if you look at the back of the shoe, you'll notice the signature white stitching. I know there's a version of these shoes that look almost identical, except the back can be worn folded up or down, almost like slide. But I decided to go with this version instead because I'm more of a formal, polished person. So if you watch my previous review videos, you know that when we get to this part of the video, I'll answer the question of whether or not if these are worth it. And my answer is a yes. My answer is a yes. But at the end of the day, it comes down to your personal preferences. But as you may know, for me, I absolutely love and appreciate designer shoes, and I don't feel the need to justify the price. And they met the whys and whats I was looking for, so I decided to go for them. Thank you so much for watching my review video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on social media for more fashion content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah.